Welcome back, everyone. I could listen to Xander and Joey all day long. So many great learnings about aligning your brand values and delivering growth with deep insights. I can't help but tie it back to our evolution of our brand. You may have seen the announcement yesterday or heard Xander's reveal just now that SurveyMonkey Inc. is now Momentive. This is a huge moment for our company, but it's also been a long time coming. I've been here for 7 years, first leading strategy and now leading our global insights business. And I've witnessed our evolution firsthand. When Ryan Finley founded SurveyMonkey in 1999, he set out to digitize feedback collection. He created one of the first ever online survey tools, and he made it easy and fun to use. In pursuing the insights that would help him deliver better experiences for his customers, he created a category leader. But since then, we've evolved way beyond simple surveys, way beyond DIY. We learned from customers like you who adapted our flexible platform to create meaningful customer, product, brand, and employee experiences, and to transform markets. We also tied our strategy to our customers' needs. And what they demanded was more sophistication, more rigor, deeper insights. They wanted to leverage our decades of expertise. As our customers' needs matured, so did we as a company. We acquired new technologies. We hired brilliant teams and leveraged our unparalleled data to build out our platform and AI engine. We created a professional services arm of our business. We launched new, purpose-built solutions with embedded expertise, AI, and automation. With all this innovation, with all this momentum, it was time to create a new identity. An identity that tells the story of our evolution beyond simple surveys. And so, we created Momentive. And being the researchers we are, our transformation was guided by our suite of market research solutions that told us it was time for a change, that informed our new name, that defined our new positioning, and informed our launch campaign. We even snuck Momentive into the most recent wave of our brand tracker to see what the baseline aided awareness would be. And we used our testing solutions to see how the name resonated. We're proud to say it tested extremely well, even though you won't find it in the dictionary yet. If you want to hear more about the research we did, which spanned 9 research streams and insights from over 21,000 respondents, catch Morgan's upcoming practitioner session in the B2B track. So, why the name Momentive? Momentive gives a nod to the word momentum. It evokes the speed with which we deliver insights and the agility with which we enable you to act. Momentive captures what's happening right now, at this moment, so you can shape what's next. We're curious what Momentive makes you think of. Share with us in the chat. We gave a few customers an early peek of Momentive 2. Let's see what they thought. At Momentive, we're all about empowering the decision makers who are shaping what's next with groundbreaking insights. And who better to shape what's next than all of you here today? You're product innovators, you're brand builders, you're market whisperers, you're thought leaders. We know that the perfect insight can spark the aha moment that lead to disruptive, monumental change, which is why Momentive offers 22 purpose-built market, product, and brand insight solutions, with more launching in the second half of this year. Momentive challenges the old way of doing market research. Today's pace of change demands more agility. You need relevant, precise, and up-to-date research at your fingertips as you navigate and shape what's coming next. But legacy agencies just can't keep up. Apart from being notoriously expensive, they're painfully slow to deliver. And static PowerPoint deliverables get stale fast. And on the other side of the spectrum, DIY solutions are still too manual. It's a burden on your team to design and analyze everything yourself. Capabilities can be too narrow, and methodologies are not robust enough to meet your sophistication level. Our market, product, and brand insight solutions blend our robust technology with deep expertise to deliver the same caliber of insights you'd expect from a full-service market research agency. But we do so at radical speed. Our solutions are faster, using AI to deliver insights in hours, not months. They're smarter, incorporating sophisticated, industry-proven methodologies right into our solutions. They're higher quality, with proprietary sources of data, vetted global partners, and response quality models that detect fraud and misuse to deliver results you can trust. And they're more tailored, where you can dial up or down custom research services as needed with our flexible engagement model. Our solutions are the future of market research, available right now. It all starts with Momentive's AI-powered insights platform, which contains technology components that we've built in a modular way so they can be incorporated into our solutions, featuring our powerful research and listening technology, built-in yet flexible methodologies, our AI engine delivering automated insights, our statistical analysis modules, and our industry benchmarks. Our integrated global panel network of over 144 million people worldwide feeds into this platform, delivering quality responses on demand. Let's dive a little deeper into the AI engine powering our platform for a second. At Momentive, our AI technology is anything but artificial. It is deeply human and authentic. Our data is explicitly provided by humans, 50 billion responses captured to be precise, that our machine learning algorithms use to provide deeply authentic and representative human context at scale and at radical speed. You'll see AI show up throughout our solutions. For example, our Answer Genius will detect the kind of question you're asking and autofill a set of pre-written answer choices, proven to capture unbiased data. Our sentiment analysis uses natural language processing to read through the responses to your open-ended questions and categorize them as positive, negative, or neutral. This model, by the way, is outperforming the most renowned data models on the market. An AI-powered insights engine instantly reveals meaningful trends beneath the surface that you may have missed on your own or would have taken you hours to tabulate, like specific demographics where ads scored particularly well, or which cohort is driving down your brand perception. Don't mistake us. Our AI won't replace the work you're doing, but it will augment, accelerate, and scale your ability to quickly make an impact in your organization. We have leveraged this powerful platform and AI engine to develop purpose-built solutions for your most common market research needs, including solutions for market insights to help you deeply understand your market, solutions for brand insights to help you elevate your brand performance and marketing effectiveness, and solutions for product experience to help you innovate and build new products your customers will love. So let's now take a look at our newest solutions in action. Let me first welcome Samuel Bakush to show you our latest market insight solutions.
Hi everyone, my name is Samuel Bakush and I lead the product team that develops insight solutions for Momentive. In the last several months, we have been hard at work to bring you new solutions to help you deeply understand your market. In April, we'll launch our brand and industry tracking solutions. And today, we are announcing our new solutions for usage and attitudes and consumer segmentation. We have lots more planned for you in the back half of this year. Consumer behavior research is the most common type of study conducted on our platform. For example, Eat Just Inc., the maker of plant-based egg and milk alternatives, uses Momentive to segment the consumer base to inform their strategy. Some initial research they did with Momentive as they were forming the strategy for their Just Egg product showed that their potential customer base isn't primarily composed of vegans, but rather meat eaters who are trying to gradually shift to a healthier plant-based diet. These are the kind of business-critical learnings our customers are gaining with our platform at radical speed. What we heard from customers doing this kind of exploratory research is that without the right expertise, the study can go in hundreds of directions. Customers told us they wanted more help to guide their research design and derive insights from their data. And they also needed a solution that was completely customizable to include the unique questions they're trying to answer. So we built expertise, guidance, flexibility, and insights right into our platform. Here's a brief walkthrough of our new usage and attitude solution. Let's say you want to measure consumer habits and understand buyer personas for your next product launch or investment strategy. Once you get started, you're taken to a streamlined research design workflow. First, You choose your desired audience and add any custom screening questions. You're able to reach people from all over the world, from consumers to business professionals. Next, you move on to design your study. Our research scientists curated a custom-tailored question bank with over 100 questions specific to usage and attitudes research. It covers purchase intent, purchase behavior, buyer characteristics, and demographic or psychographic segmentation questions for you to start from. This completely takes the guesswork out of your study design. Your research is also fully customizable. You can add or revise questions, include advanced logic, or change the look and feel of your study. If you need additional support, our market research consultants would be happy to assist. Once you launch, we'll begin automatically fielding responses. Most usage and attitude studies complete within hours. You'll be able to view your data in real time as responses come in. In addition to question-by-question summaries, we've built powerful analysis features to get you to insights faster. For granular data comparisons, you can create custom crosstab reports to see how segments of your audience differ across the key metrics in your research. And you can always export your crosstab reports and raw data for deeper analysis. Our usage and attitude solutions also comes with a built-in key driver analysis to show you which traits are highly correlated with your most important outcome metrics, like purchase intent, for instance. This will help you know which things to focus on when building out persona profiles or creative strategies. To save you even more time, our AI-powered insights will instantly surface high-intent buyer profiles. For example, in an instant, you'll be able to uncover the demographic, psychographic, and behavioral traits of the people purchasing your product category most frequently, or the groups most likely to choose your brand. Now, if you want to kick your study up a notch, you can work with our market research consultants who can run a cluster analysis and provide a detailed segmentation report for you. What we've heard so far is that our customers can't wait to get their hands on our key driver analysis and AI-powered insights. And I'll reiterate what Pri mentioned earlier. The technology we're building is designed to get you from results to insights and impact with more accuracy and agility. And now, I'm going to pass it over to Morgan Molnar, who will tell you about our newest brand insight solutions.
Thanks, Samuel. Hi all, I'm Morgan Molnar and I lead product marketing for our market research solutions at Momentive. I'm excited to share our latest brand insights solution with you, our brand tracker. As Samuel mentioned, this just came out in April, so you're still among the first to see it in action. Now, brand tracking can mean a lot of different things to your organization, which is why we made sure our solution was completely flexible to span the needs for competitive intelligence, reputation management, and tracking all of your key metrics throughout the brand funnel, from awareness to associations to usage and loyalty. We also have customers using Momentive in unique ways to track perceptions for things like emerging trends and technologies to inform thought leadership content, and I've even seen affinity trackers for certain food and beverage ingredients. We know you'll see the value in what we've built. Our brand tracker is a response to the infrequent, static, costly deliverables you'd expect from a legacy agency. Our technology-forward solution can collect data much more frequently, practically continuously, and you receive your results in a transparent, dynamic, and completely customizable dashboard. You heard from Joey, co-CEO of Allbirds earlier, about how important brand health is to their business. Allbirds has been a brand tracking customer of ours for years and recently switched over to the new solution, collecting more than 14,000 responses each year in several global markets. Allbirds originally switched to Momentive from their old agency when they decided they needed more control over their data and wanted insights more frequently. The tracker they run with us is collecting responses weekly with demographic and geographic quotas, and they have immediate access to their data in our modern dynamic dashboards. Let me dive in and show you how it works. To start, our base package comes with survey consultation and onboarding services to make sure your study is designed perfectly to your custom needs and that your team is fully trained on our solution. This takes a lot of the pressure and weight off of your team in setting up a study design that needs to last you many years. Once your tracker is underway, you'll spend most of your time within our analysis and dashboarding experience. The analysis experience helps you quickly pull out meaningful trends, and it gives you the flexibility to dig deeper when you need to. The first thing you check is the brand funnel metrics for the most recent wave. This aggregates data from multiple questions in one place so you can see how you're converting through the funnel. You can take a closer look at each of your key metrics over time. Here you can see how aided awareness is trending and how that compares to your key competitors. You can also change to other visualizations, including a tabular view with stat testing to detect significant wave-over-wave trends. If you want to change the frequency or configuration of your data that you're looking at, you can. Same thing with the date range and the target audiences that you're viewing. Similarly, you can apply demographic filters or filters based on the questions in your tracker. When you really want to understand what changed and why, poring over your results can be really time-consuming. But our AI-powered insights will look through all of the cuts for you to surface meaningful changes. And as you can see here, aided awareness increased significantly 4% in the past month, and the biggest lift was with the 18 to 24-year-old demographic. So not only are we telling you what's changing, but also which demographic segments are driving the shifts. You can also export your raw data and visualizations to a variety of formats to conduct deeper analysis or easily create presentations. Our dashboards come in handy if you want to create a custom collection of data, either because you know you want to revisit this view or share it with your stakeholders. Each dashboard gives you all the tools you need to customize. You can control the tile size, drag and drop, add new tiles using data from any tracker you have in your project, and add text-only tiles to control the narrative surrounding your data. Everything in here will be automatically updated after each tracker wave. When you're ready to share, you can generate a password-protected link in just a couple clicks, and your colleagues won't need an account to view the data. And now, back to Samuel to share our advancements in product experience solutions.
Thanks, Morgan. For our last demo of the session, I'll take you through updates and additions to our product experience solutions. The first is a set of enhancements we've added to our purpose-built concept testing solutions. Last year, we launched 7 different concept and creative testing solutions to help you streamline how you validate product ideas, packaging designs, add creative, messaging, names, logos, and more with your target buyers. These automated yet customizable solutions come with automated scorecards with stat testing and over 50 industry benchmarks to choose from, so you can see how your concepts are resonating with your audience at a glance. Open-ended analysis to help you make sense of your verbatims, and AI-powered insights that instantly analyzes your results against hundreds of demographic combinations, so you can quickly see which concepts each segment of the population preferred. One customer at a major skincare brand told us, "I can't believe how many insights we may have overlooked because we didn't have the AI-powered insights doing it for us." Customers also love our native PowerPoint exports, so you can share with your stakeholders in a snap. We recently added even more great analysis features to these solutions. The first is the ability to create custom crosstab reports. Similar to what you saw in our usage and attitude solution, we tailored our crosstab functionality to what you would need for a concept test, the ability to also segment your data by stimuli. We also incorporated our automated key driver analysis. Here's how it works. First, you choose a desired outcome metric, like purchase intent or any metric that you want to be able to influence that's closely tied to business impact. Our model will instantly show you which concept attributes have the highest correlation with that outcome, as well as how well those attributes scored across your concepts. We visualize the data in a quadrant to help you identify which attributes of your product you should lean into, which you should improve, or which don't impact your outcomes enough to warrant focus there. And our automated insights instantly bring those to the surface. You can see the benefits of our modular platform at work here. Multiple solutions are taking advantage of similar methods, and we tailor the analysis for the kind of research you're doing. In addition to the improvements to our concept and creative testing solutions, we have also been investing in advanced methods to expand our product experience solutions. We're proud to start offering custom conjoint and max-diff analysis. These methods are more advanced approaches for optimizing product features and pricing, as they simulate the trade-offs buyers have to make in the real world when purchasing products. Currently, these methods are available today by working with our team of market research experts. And we are in the midst of developing ways to automate these methodologies into purpose-built solutions like the ones you've seen from us today. Which is a great segue back to Pri to give you a sneak peek into what you can expect to see from Momentive in the coming quarters.
Thanks, Samuel. Looking ahead to what's next for Momentive, we have an aggressive roadmap to continue to innovate and deliver value for customers, turning to us for market, brand, and product insights. First, we'll continue adding advanced research capabilities to our insights platform. This includes the underlying analytics to support methodologies like conjoint, MaxDiff, Van Westendorp, and Gaber-Granger pricing analysis. With those capabilities in our platform, we will be developing the following purpose-built solutions in the coming quarters. Our market sizing solution will help you quantify the demand for your product across regions and countries and pinpoint which market to expand to next. Our product optimization solution will use conjoint and MaxDiff analysis to optimize your feature set and bundles that maximize your in-market success. Our pricing optimization solution will incorporate Van Westendorp and Gaber-Granger methods to help you find the optimal price point and price range for your product or service. And last but not least, our campaign effectiveness solution will help you understand the impact of regional and national advertising campaigns on key brand metrics like awareness and perception. An offshoot of our existing brand tracker, this solution will be specifically designed for brand lift studies. We will continue on our quest to deliver the highest quality of data to you, globally, and for the audience that you need to talk to. Data quality is the foundation of everything we do. And we know that data cleaning can be an exceptionally tedious process. You may have seen that we launched an AI-driven response quality detection model last year that evaluates and flags responses for speeding, straightlining, gibberish open-ends, profanity, and more. We will be leveraging that algorithm and other explicit methods like trap questions and fraud detection to continue to improve the quality of the data we provide. Later this year, we're building a way to automatically remove poor quality responses from your data when detected. And we'll be automating the process of kicking out bad actors from our panels and our partner network. We believe these improvements will set a new quality standard for our industry. Another area of focus for us is expanding our reach into B2B and niche audiences to support a wide range of industry-specific targeting. Today, we're already great at reaching decision makers across functions like IT, HR, finance, and marketing. We add more reach every week, but we are specifically focused on adding experts in industries like healthcare and technology. Our goal is to create a world where quantitative B2B research is just as accessible and just as feasible as consumer research. I'm thrilled about what's next at Momentive, and I hope you are too. If there is anything you saw today that you want to see more of, you can get in touch with our team for a consultation by filling out the Talk to an Expert form linked in this session. And don't miss the practitioner sessions, especially the B2B track, where Morgan and Inga will tell you more about the research we did using our own solutions to inform our rebranding. Enjoy the rest of today's show, then get out there and shape what's next.